Your boy's back, Jojo White, still talking about our senior brother when they call Amechi. He don't tweet. It's tweet about 2019 presidency. Those of you want to know what they call Amechi senior. He tweet he say what will happen to Nigeria youths if they do not vote Buhari Amechi na him talk am. He say what will happen? Wait, I want to ask, what will go happen? The one who will dey pass, we never see am. Say we dey die, hungry dey kill people. People they pass desert, they travel, people no want stay again. X-Men they keep people, Boko Haram they keep people. And we get people when they talk, say we need to vote this government unless we see what it go happen. What it go happen, we pass the one we will never see. We go pass the one we will see so. In fact, the one we don't see, the one we see so. Any alliance will take out. He say if they want so this one our government when they want, they give us warning. They give us warning, say we need to vote this government again. And we get people when they take those of them who don't know, see out there, look at now be that one. Amechi, I should destroy Port Harcourt dish. You know better, he not do you. You know better. Told that we go strike and I told that when we say he go come from Korea. Not be South Korea or North Korea. You know that nuclear, when that North Korea president they use. They threaten America there. That nuclear, and now so they told that go be. When go they come in, very high speed they go. Go strike on our way and I go hey. So I bet more go to the next news. Intelligent person we don't draft the problem of Nigeria. He draft her. He can't put her online. So now when we see the map, see her. He can't put the problem online. He can't draft all the problem when Nigeria they face. He can't put her online. So see the problem who they face. Make I see the problem. Me never seen before. When I seen the thing shock me. You see what he put? He say from Sat now to Zamfara. That's Sasa to Zamfara because the problem from Sasa lead to Zamfara. He say na kidnapping cultist militant na they happen for that area. Even Zamfara now don't finish because Zamfara now only Zamfara bandits they attack them, X-Men they attack them, kidnapping they attack them. Only one state. Now this problem they happen. Bandits, X-Men, kidnapping. And we get presidents, we get government when they say we will vote them again. Nigeria, Mona open brain. So he don't talk now say the person will draft this thing. Now God will bless you. When draft this thing, see the map. They look the map as they read that. He say from South now militant kidnapping and he call it that kidnapping call it to Zamfara and Curtis the what nationwide threats that be that Curtis. Then if you can't go southwest, they can't get ritual. Those one will say if I not get money, wait here again. When I want go do ritual, when I don't want walk. See that day, 20 years boy, to be 21 years boy. I be now they come, but I say 18 years boy. They cost now 20. He kill your mama. He want to go do ritual. Carry the pants. It's not better for you. But your mama will have born you. You open where you want kill her to do ritual. On up there now. See what they happen now for the country now. Southwest rituals and they happen there now. If you go southeast, our Biafra separatists now then. They say they need Biafra and they get that one. So if you go northeast, that northeast now we get Adamawa, we get Taraba, we get Nasarawa, we go get Plateau, we go get Kaduna, the same Zamfara again, X-Men farmer conflicts, and they take on for that region. They want to destroy everywhere. See problem when one country they face. In fact, it won't be like a Second World War where all government, where all the world they fight only Germany. If you look at same northeast, they get hey Boko Haram, and they just take over northeast too. They destroy, they scatter, they don't feel repair now. They destroy. See the map there. If you can go Katsina, Katsina. If our president not feel stop what they happen for in your state, and one can stop what they look up, see Katsina. Now one stop what they happen for the rest place. Katsina, we can get armed bandits, and they did there. See, in fact, the country Jabaru, see problem when one country they face. If Even when Germany faced Second World War, they don't get this kind of problem. In fact, almost about 10 to 11 terrorist attack just they attack one country. Ha! But I beg, 2019, I move our brain. I beg, move go to the next news. We get one of our sister. He now don't see the problem when the country they face. He want add his own join. See what he talk. He said, make I read our old tweet. He said, I want to talk about something that has been on my mind for a long time. Children should bear the name of the mother, not the father. And why not necessary for family to have the same name? When they do, husbands should bear the name of their wives. This make the most sense. You are mad. This make the most nonsense I've ever heard. So you want me problem with this country they face? You never reach your body. You want add your own problem join. Me husband and children they bear the name of the wives. Why they come marry you for us? Why you no come marry the husband? Me you pay by price, you do everything. You go to give the husband what he want. You dey give the husband everything. Then problem with this country they face. You want those of them don't know and see the woman and the woman and this woman. So in fact you are a disadvantage. I label you terrorist. They supposed to charge you for misuse of speech. Country with this problem they face, you never see her. If this people are beg, make her drink water. No, not be water, energy. Because this one, it wake me up. Make I drink energy, Red Bull. Now what did this woman talk? This woman, you! Problem with this country they face, we never talk on one thing resolve her. Even Biafra people when you they important with Boko Haram they need to stop. X-Men they need to stop. They will never stop and you they bring your own, they come. Me, husband and children, they answer the wife's name. Me family not the answer the same name. Me one go the answer Buhari name. Me one go the answer Saraki name. Me one go the answer Ikwere Madu. This woman receive sense. I deliver sense to you. Make sense enter your head. Imagine what this woman they talk. Me also family know that had the same name. My brother, see what she tweet here. He said children should not bear the same. Children should bear the name of the mother, not the father. And why not necessary for family to have the same name? Why they do? Husbands should bear the name of their wives. May husband answer the name of his wife. Who be the man of the house? When God created this world, who will create? Now Adam have been a Eve. You are a Jezebel. And you must go back to where you belong. You are a Jezebel. My people, I beg, when I not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just click that red button and click the bell so that you could get all my video, all the new updates. I beg, thank you very much, and I really want to say a big thanks to all my fans. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really grateful for you guys. I'm really happy to have you guys as my followers, as my friends, as my fans. I want to use this last word, gratitude. I'm really happy. Thank you very much. I love